kami karon sa tambangan overlooking para
mag-share of ideas about sa non-renewable resources. Before that, isuroy sa namo mo.
Isuroy ta mo sa tambangan overlooking. Para
Yes.
makita ninyo ang makalindot sa lugar.
Yeah. Laag
Sige,
na
bodihan.
diri. Laag na diri ha. Mo ha.
Ilag.
1, 2, 3, go! So let us first define what is non-renewable resources. The term non-renewable resource refers to a natural substance that is not replenished with the speed at which it is consumed. As such, a non-renewable resource is a finite resource. Humans constantly draw on the reserves of these substances while the formation of new supplies takes eons. Examples of non-renewable resources include fossil fuels like oil, natural gas, and coal. The opposite of a non-renewable resource is a renewable resource. The supplies of these resources replenish naturally or can be sustained.
Understanding non-renewable resources. Non-renewable resources come directly from the earth. This can be directly from the ground or a mine. The reserves of these substances took billions of years to form, and it will take billions of years to replace the supplies used. As such, the supplies of non-renewable resources are finite and cannot be replaced. Humans extract these resources in gas, liquid, or soil form and then convert them to suit their needs. Non-renewable resources. Non-renewable energy resources include coal, natural gas, oil, and nuclear energy. Once these resources are used up, they cannot be replaced, which is a major problem of humanity as we are currently dependent on them to supply most of our energy needs. The advantages of non-renewable energy are the following. It is easy to store, it is easily accessible, it is more compatible, it is more affordable, it is represented by fair quantity. It can be efficiently converted to the type of energy required. It is easy to transport. A power plant which runs on non-renewable source of energy that can be located anywhere as long as fuel is available. They are available throughout the year unlike solar energy or water energy. While the disadvantage of non-renewable energy are it produced by the greenhouse gases, its byproducts cause damage of the environment. Once exhausted, they are not easily to replenish. Rising costs, its residual products are generally non-biodegradable. Its products pose potential threat to human health, responsible for acid rain. The harmful effects of non-renewable energy of the environment are greenhouse gas emissions, air pollution, acid rain, water pollution, soil pollution, non-biodegradable waste generation, oil spills, and depletion of ozone layer.
A non-renewable resource is a natural resource that cannot effectively be supplemented at a high enough rate to keep up with demand by natural means. Carbon-based fossil fuels are example. The following are the conservation of non-renewable resources. Number 1. Resource waste should be avoided. Using public transit instead of private cars, for instance, tends to save precious petrol. Usage of the car patrol seems save petrol where many individuals with a similar destination go together in one vehicle. Number 2. When not in service, shutting off fans, lamps, and coolers, using cooking gas, economically using pressure cookers, using tube lights instead of electric bulbs are some of the ways to save non-renewable energy that might benefit to a large degree.
Number 3. Alternative energy options such as renewable energy, wind energy, tidal energy, biomass or biogas energy, and etc. can be used to supplement fossil fuels on a wind scale. It is important to promote the use of solar cookers and biogas for cooking. Number 4. To replace non-renewable resources, new materials are being created. Plastic, for example, are often used to manufacture goods that could once only be produced from steel. Using automatic energy will diminish our reliance on coal and oil. Number 5. It is possible to recycle and reuse all kinds of metal scrap, like glass and paper and plastic. While plastic itself is not a natural resource, it is man-made. It uses a great deal of fuel in its production process. Recycling plastic, however, helps to recycle carbon. To preserve trees, recycling paper works. Number 6. We should not discard any object or device that is not working. We're having it fixed and using it. The economy of repair and use aims to save energy as it disadvantage production and waste. So, ano na butog, pero sagsag ka kayo, murag dili na ako.
Bitaw guys, salamat sa pagtanaw. And please ko,
Don't forget to like,
share,
and subscribe,
and click the notification bell
para updated kayo sa mga bagong video na ilalabas.
Bye!